Now it's time to have fun with my shrink tubes. I'm gonna cut 8 or 9 of them in this height, and then I will dress up my wires with shrink tubes, and then I will heat up the shrink tubes a little bit, and then finally I will just paint the whole arm rods with black, and then spray paint with some lacquer to protect the paint, and then that's it. I will be done. There is one thing to keep in mind with shrink tubes. They can be broken, and you don't want a broken shrink tube on your wire, because when heated up, you're going to have a bad look. It won't look nice when heated up and when painted. So the shrink tube needs to be as smooth as possible and as clean as possible, just like this one, this piece. And you see the difference between this and this? There's a broken piece here. It's banded. Okay, it will easily